Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video I will guide you through several effective methods to fix File Explorer if it is not responding in Windows 11. And now let's get started. If File Explorer is giving you trouble and is unresponsive, the first and often most effective solution is to restart the Windows Explorer process. You can do this by searching for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and opening it. Once the Task Manager window appears and the list of processes has loaded, locate Windows Explorer in the list. Right-click on Windows Explorer and select the Restart option. You will notice the screen flicker for a few seconds, and this action usually resolves the issue. After this, it is always a good practice to restart your computer to ensure all changes are applied correctly. You can do this by right-clicking on the Start button, then selecting Shutdown or Sign Out, and finally choosing Restart. If restarting File Explorer did not solve the problem, the next step is to perform a System File Check using the System File Checker tool. To do this, search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar. Make sure to click on Run as Administrator to open it with elevated privileges. In the Command Prompt window, type the command sfc/scannow and then press Enter. This command will scan your system for corrupted files and attempt to repair them, which can often resolve File Explorer issues. Should the System File Checker scan not yield the desired results, a disk cleanup can also be beneficial. Search for Disk Cleanup in the Windows search bar and open the application. After Disk Cleanup analyzes your system, you will be presented with a list of files to delete. Select all of these files, as they often contribute to clutter and can sometimes impact the performance of system applications like File Explorer. Once you have made your selections, click OK, and then confirm by clicking Delete Files. This process will free up some space on your system, which may allow File Explorer to function correctly. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.